We have talked about black holes and white holes in the previous videos and their links are in the description. In this video, we are going to talk about two questions. What are the general differences between a black hole and a white hole? And what if a white hole encounters our solar system? Question number 1. What are the general differences between a black hole and a white hole? Number 1. Nothing can escape the event horizon of a black hole. But in case of white hole, nothing can enter the event horizon. Number 2. Inside the black hole, the speed of object becomes greater than the speed of light, but white hole releases objects having different speeds. Number 3. Black holes were formed as a result of Big Bang, but white holes are formed from black holes. Number 4. Black hole is real entity, but white hole is a hypothetical entity. Question number 2. What if a white hole encounters our solar system? A white hole explodes and releases huge amount of matter along with radiations and light. As nothing in space can travel faster than light, so radiations approach the speed of light, but the speed of constituent of released matter depends upon the mass of the respective constituent. So if a white hole encounters solar system and explodes, it will bombard objects of different sizes having different speeds and radiations approaching the speed of light. And this bombardment can cause serious damage to the solar system, especially our planet Earth.